In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your screen size, your video resolution, and your aspect ratio on your Amazon Fire TV Stick and 4K Max. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and scroll all the way over till you see this little settings gear right here. Select it to open it up and then scroll down a little bit. And what you're looking for is this display and audio section or display and sounds option. Open it up and then it's going to load a few different settings. Go ahead and select display specifically. And up at the very top, you're going to see your video resolution right here. By default, it's going to be set to automatic and the Firestick usually chooses the best option for your TV. But if something does look off, go ahead and select this and go ahead and manually set it to whatever you want. Press back to autosave when you're finished, and from here go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see an option on here to calibrate your display. This will let you adjust your screen size to remove any black borders that you might have. Select it, press up on your remote to make the screen bigger, and press down on the remote to make it smaller. If everything already looked good, just select reset and then hit accept. And then from here, go back to your home screen. And if you have the little settings option on your remote, go ahead and select that. And you're going to see an option to go to the quick menu. Scroll down on here, select picture, and go to screen settings. And you can change the aspect ratio to auto or 16:9, which is best for most TVs, or 4:3, which is used for older content or certain games. Whenever you're done, save your settings and you're good to go. That is how you could change your screen size and aspect ratio on your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.